gotta go? Do 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 do. What is good, boys? Let me just get these links in, lads. We'll get started. There we go, man. What's good, boys? If you're in here, say yo, man. Let me get some tunes. Alright, boys, give me a tune. Someone give me a tune to start off the stream with, man. What we saying, the lads? T1 was good. Yayi was good, Brody. Mem was good, man. Vish was good, Brody. Took an L on GU. Yeah, we had the L on EU today. It was unlucky. It was very unlucky, man. It is what it is. It was our strategy to a T. So if we didn't take it, for me, it's obviously just against the rules. So I'm happy we did what we did and got in, and we'll move on. But I'll be honest, boys. I feel like we have seen an actual decent, nice New York session for fucking a decent start to November. Sorry, don't know how I fucked that up so bad. But we've actually had a decent start to November, which is good. So I'm excited for it. I'm definitely excited for it. But what I thought we might as well start doing more on these New York streams is look at futures way more. Especially right now, when I think the equity market is decently readable. I mean, right now I'm bullish everything. I'm bullish Nasdaq, bullish S&P, and I can only really see us come up on all equities. God knows till when. We'd need some bearish news for that, but for right now, we look good. So we might even start looking at equities a bit more. But if anyone is looking at anything FX wise for New York, do let me know, boys. Do let me know. Ben was good, man. Tony was good. Was this a game on? Jed was good, man. Harris, what we saying? Henry was good. Other Ben, what we saying, cuzzy? Someone give me a tune, no man. Someone give me a tune. What's good, man? What's good? What we saying? Afternoon, boys. Why you gotta come here, honest? Boys, again, we're bare close to 3K. Sorry, just 3K. Sorry. Okay, that's yeah. What we saying? Oh, that's actually a tune, is it? Faithless Insomnia. Sounds like a fucking insane tune. DBS hometown. Is that the only tune you are going to advise to me? I'll be honest though, this New York session hasn't looked great. I mean, we still got 45 minutes to open, but price didn't actually come to that Friday 50, which is what we was kind of looking at earlier. I'm gonna keep switching through though. I'm gonna keep switching through. So gold hasn't actually come down yet. I was really expecting gold to come down, but it has not come down yet. What are we saying, boys, on the TikTok? Rocco, what's good, man? What saying? King Bitcoin, what's good, Brody? Bro, I didn't even know that was a tune, Tony, bro. I didn't even know that was a fucking tune. EG was insane today, man. In terms of Asian liquidity, it was insane. And we just continued down, especially after that news. Bearing in mind what we had the hold of the interest rates from obviously the Bank of England, right? But obviously, something that we do need to bear in mind when it does come to those decisions is we are looking at more and more NPC members each meeting, more on the side to vote for a cut of interest rates. So now it's four out of 5 NPC members now want to cut interest rates. So we'll probably start seeing a little bit of a slowdown of that of the holding rates at 4%. We could potentially, I reckon we'll get cuts early 2026 of interest rates. I don't think inflation is going to come down, so I think we kind of have to, really. It'd be great if inflation falls, so it allows us to, but growth is fucking minimal as well. What a fucking banger, actually. Bigfoot was good, man. What are you saying, Brody? In terms of New York, I don't think we actually have much, do we? No, not for the US dollar. FOMC member Barr speech, Williams speech, Hammock speech. Nothing major though. FMC, okay, we've actually got Weiler speaking later on at like 8:30, so we've got time. Come on, Mem, bro. Come on, Mem. Mem's actually on the bag as well. I just don't think we're going to see this currently come down, but Thanos told me a little something. It looks like we are completing this monthly CRT now, which is perfect. Which is perfect. I honestly didn't think. Sorry, no. What am I talking about? Not monthly. Daily. Daily? Weekly? No, I was fucking away on daily. Yeah, daily, perfect. Which we had the exact same on EU as well, which has now been completed. GU, no. So at least now we know we are looking for a little bit of a rebalance from the dollar, which is perfect. Because we have had a really strong dollar for like the last week. So seeing a retracement at some point is key. So maybe that is what we're seeing going into next week, which would be beneficial. Whereas if you're on the TikTok, what are you guys trading today? What we were trading, man? Ben, what did you get in today, bro? Honestly, the only thing I really saw today that actually played out really nicely was EG. EG was very nice, early morn. Yeah, it was so good in terms of liquidity. This is a fucking shoot, isn't it? But I was more looking towards that EU. Which did have me by my testicles for a good hour, we'll say. Hitting EJ long, bro. So have a look at the EJ longs. How did EJ get on? Oh, nice, bro. I was going to say the shorts in the morning were nice if you was able to get in, but if not, the buy-up looked very good. Again, quite a strong euro still. I know we've got a stronger pound over euro right now, but that's mainly because of that interest rate hold. And we have been seeing... Wow, yeah, no, we have been seeing a little bit of a hold off of that yen. I can still see the yen going up though, which might cause problems for EJ. GJ, I'm assuming, has gone up as well. What about UJ? Okay, yeah, the dollar is battling today. And again, like what I said, boys, normally when we have the yen basket do well, no, not really how it works, but if we have the dollar work well, then we have the yen weak. Vice versa, if we've got the dollar weak, normally it's great for the yen. So we've got that weak dollar, so we are seeing that safe haven of the yen basket come through. Which again, it still shows, man, the market's so uncertain because we're still seeing yen fly when dollar comes down. So we do see that offset of risk into the yen, which is fucking so uncertain, these markets. Cool an EU long TP at Daddy CRT, lovely stuff, bro. Where did you get in for the EU long, bro? Where'd you get him? Yes, buy some. That's good, bro. That's a fucking nut. If that's your name, bro, that's nuts, bro. That's a nuts name to be born with. FXRP, what we saying, bro? This sham, what we saying, G? Or Sure I am. Sorry if I said that wrong. Mate, did you see my message about the mentorship and giveaway? No, I didn't, Tony, bro. What was it, bro? What did you message me on? I'll quickly go into it now. Or message me on Discord if you can, bro. I've got one of my screens to the left of me. I can have a little look. This is mystery. But we do want to see price come down a little bit more now, really. We've had this big expansion move, which is making it a little bit difficult for the distribution throughout New York. But I can only assume a continuation throughout New York session, right? Just realised I do not have my sessions on. So we're very expanded about this day, so throughout this day. So I do want to see some form of reversal. On here, bro. No, I didn't. Sorry, Tony. Mate, so I'm going to join the mentorship today. What is the deal with the 100k account giveaway, and will I be entered into the other giveaways? 50k is now works. Yeah, bro. So, tomorrow 100k, you literally just enter for the Instagram post. Boys, if you haven't already done that, man, that is your chance to win 100k Alpha Capital Group account, man. For fuck all. For nothing. And then, obviously, yeah, if you're a member, again, if you sign up today, you'll be entered into the giveaway tomorrow for... 1, the new sign-ups, and then 2, the whole mentorship group. That goes to everyone else as well, boys. We're doing 150k worth of giveaways tomorrow. 100k's on our Insta. The other 50k's to our members. Wait, what a tune, bro. Yeah, Steve, what's good, brody? I still don't even know what order block is when I'm looking at the chart. You're more into these ciggies though, man. Well, bro, Ben, if you feel lost and you feel like you... Honestly, bro, you're on the charts a lot and you're in these lives a lot. I feel like you might as well learn it, man. Save Europe song, yeah. I think this song's like French. Oh no, maybe Italian. Yeah, it's just awkward. We really need to see price come back down in order for us to actually re-enter. I'm going to go back to equities because I think equities going to have the nicer moves, obviously, around these times. So I'm going to go back to the S&P. We want to see price come down before coming up. We're looking for that expansion move on New York to London. So I just want to see a refill of high volume during London. Not necessarily looking for like a sweep of London or anything. We had a real nice sweep of Asia, which was fucking clean. Only annoying thing is we just didn't come and grab that Friday 50, but I mean, that's fine. Again, we've come back into a decent area within this 1 hour range. So obviously what we had is we had price have that market shift to the upside. So now we're just looking for price to continue to the upside, especially we are quite strong equities right now. I've got a new mouse, bro, and it's fucking... Whenever you get a new mouse, man, it's always so different and so fucking weird to fucking use, man, I swear now. We just want to use OT level. Price came in, which was absolutely perfect. Pretty much looking at a Friday range. No, not really. London low to London to New York high. New mouse is very weird to use, bro. Oh, just come down to OT level. So yeah, we want to see price come back in. This level here. Obviously we're going to have this nice reaction around to these fair value gaps to the left, but then obviously that should push us down back to high volume areas in here, or low volume for fair value gap, high volume for all of... Oh, fuck it up. You're a heart attack, you man. Not what I wanted either. Fuck me. Okay, low volume looks like this fair value at the bottom London session, so we are looking for a big retracement for that. I'm not even in signals now, bro. Last 2 trades were from what you guys taught me, but just from fucking streams, bro. Honestly, if you want to get that consistency down, Ben, bro, I would advise jumping in the mentorship. Underworld Born Slippy. Is that a tune, bro? I can't tell if that's a tune or is that a statement. Yes, Fizzy, what's good, Brody? What you saying, man? How do you choose who it goes to? Yes, so yes, Stu said there. Says you're wheel of names and we do like a last man stand. Honestly, bro, you'll see. It's no skill or anything. It's literally just make sure you're there for the stream. But again, in the morning we normally send out an announcement to all the members, so you'll get told about it. It will be on the 1:30 stream as well. Where's the Magnet Strat coming back, bro? It's coming back today. It's coming back for New York's ish. Bro, what was I just doing? What was I just typing up? Oh yeah, that's it. Bro, is this a Christmas song? Oh, what a tune, bro. So I actually bad thought this was a Christmas song for a second. Bro, you can't tell me that doesn't start like a Christmas song. You actually can't, bro. Is this a place you want to go? Good life. Good life. Let's start that little beef thing. We'll put it on after. Bro, I can't get over the way this sounds like a Christmas tune. I end up at 1 to 8 on EJ. You can see it moving out of detail. Come back to the tap the 2 hour order, but I'm not sure. Gonna end up, but I'm tempted. Do you trade yen pairs? Oh wow, yeah, this does look nice. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? The shoe. I'd say the shoe is more favourable just because of that strong yen. Sorry, Reap. What did you say, bro? Why did you Richesse FX lot split up? We haven't split up, bro. And we're also not a couple. But no, we ain't split up, bro. Yeah, I know, man. Fingers crossed, man. Bro, that Will was not wanting you to have a funded account last month. That's for sure, bro. That's for sure. It's just the actual tune. There we go. I was gonna say, bro. That's it, mate. Woo! Fucking hell. Could do a bit of fucking chizzy after this, man. Split up, do you know what I mean? Oh, you get a couple by any chance? Have you changed your strat? No, brother. Strat is always changed. Has always stayed the same. ALG till we fucking drop dead, bro. ALG till we fucking... till there's no need to trade anymore, man. Yeah, you've been getting cooked recently with yen, so confident is on... Yeah, but been getting cooked recently with yen. But that's the thing, yen at the moment, because the dollar's confused, the yen's also going to be... It is going to be 10 times more confusing. I mean, they've had massive political changes, fiscal changes. It can be a pain in the sack, as I like to say. Yeah, Skull's good, bro. You're looking at EU longs, bro. Not necessarily, man. I'm looking for price of retrace a little bit more. And I just don't really think there's going to be anything great for New York. But yeah, you're looking for EJ longs, but looking for price to come down a bit in order for us to come up. What did you send, Josh? And on what? Oh, bro, this song's so drawing. Get the fuck off my fucking thing. Oh, he's chatting on Discord, yeah? Come on. What did you say? Oh, Josh, what did you send to me on? Oh, Hey, Josh. Hey, Josh. This is such a tune as well. Yeah, I thought so. Would EU shorts be done right now? Again, it depends what type of trader you are. Wait, is that not the tune, Josh? Was that not the tune you was on about? We are looking at futures this session. I am looking for. I mean, we do need a bit more of an open. We need to trade closer to this 2:30 time, so we've actually got that stock open, so equities actually have that volume. But I want to see price obviously have that retracement first for that long up, but we're going to come back to those equities at around 2:30, so we can understand a bit more of a better entry around those. But yeah, if you do trade futures, man, let me know what you guys are looking at for Nasdaq and for the S&P. Wait, Josh, what's the tune then? Copped another one just now. I'm in GU shorts. Fucking, you're always in trades, isn't it, Kev? Kev, you can't bear not to be in a trade, man. Kev, is there a trade? Is there a day you're not in a trade? Wait, Josh, where did you send it? By Bullet Tooth. Oh right, so it was that first one I played. Sorry. The beat does sound hard. Wait, you can switch the modes on this bitch? Wait, you can switch modes on this mouse. Let me take you to a place I know you wanna go. It's a good night. Fucking banger. Mark Kennedy, what we saying, Brody? Ambassador Pat was good. Winning right now on these shorts. Blew an account on Nas today, bro. Holy fuck! What was you going for on Nas, bro? Nas is buyers all day long. Nas buyers all day long. S&P equities buyers all day long, lads. Shouldn't say that. It's all educational purposes only. But equities doing good right now, boys. Why does it sound like something in my career, bro? If this one fouls, I'm gonna work for a month. I'm gonna work for a month again. Kevin, you know what I'd say to Kevin? All jokes aside, bro. Like all jokes aside, I was trying to sell, just lost, lol. Bro. Kevin, I'll be so honest, bro. Slow it down, man. Slow it down. Slow down, Kev. I'll be honest, bro. If you actually want to be profitable in trading, man, you can't be trading like the way you are. Like, I'll be honest, you come in here every day and say you're on a trade. For me, like, when someone comes in the stream every day and they're in a trade, I know for almost a fact they are not profitable. Especially in the markets like this, boys. These are very difficult markets to be trading every day, and if you're trading every day, it can't be going well. What do you think about gold sells, mates? Gold sells all day long, bro. It's just getting in. We've not really seen. Well, actually, no, it's a lie. We have seen a little bit more structure develop, actually. But obviously, because there was no 5 minute here, it's proven to be difficult. It's proven to be very, very difficult. Sorry, 15, not 5. 15 minutes. But if we break this low, then I can only assume that we are looking for price to continue down, at least back towards that Friday 50. So if we start breaking like external low, that like the original low of New York, then I'm happy. Or if we come up and re-tap this high, then maybe I'll assume price is going to start moving down. But the dollar's weak, boys, right? The dollar's weak. If we're looking to sell gold, we'd much prefer being in the markets where we've got a strong dollar. Yes, we might be a little bit weak for the gold, and we are, in hindsight, and the main bias, bullish DXY, but we've got to wait for those good positions, man. I haven't heard this tune in a minute, bro, actually. Look at that gold sells also. Yeah, we got to confirm it.
No excuse, 'cause just want to use me.
I do low-key hate this tune though. Where was that list I just had? We get another pause thing maybe? If you lock Kevin, it mutes him. Luckily, just realised that. Fucking hell. But Kevin, do you actually want to be profitable in trading, bro? Like, honest to good question. Like, do you actually want to be profitable in trading? Bro, I need a big coffee mug, bro. I swear, I'm. You know what, like your history teacher used to drink out of, bro? I need one of them fucking things. But like, whenever I have a coffee, man, I drink that shit in fucking 10 minutes, man. I feel like I need like a, you know, like a, fuck knows, but for some reason I picture every history teacher having a massive mug for coffee, man. That's what I need, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Now Mason actually wants me to break it down in my bit. This. Damn. You think DXY has taken sell side on a 15-minute? No, it hasn't. Well, I mean, realistically, what we're looking for is we're looking for this daily CRT sweep, right? We are so close to it. Wait, have we completed it? I mean, I think we've just missed. Yeah, we've like just missed. Yeah, I want to be profitable. If you want to be profitable, Kevin, I would make it your main goal to follow one strategy, and then, again, if you're losing from it, or if you're winning from, I mean, not really. This is such a tune. But if you're losing with that strategy, find out why and collectively get data. It's a little bit different when you're sporadically just trading whatever the fuck you can for the sake of having the emotion of being in a trade. One can never be profitable if they trade sporadically. I promise you that. I'm gonna put that one on after, Josh. So I try to sum in as soon as I wake up. No, not even that, but like, I mean, again, not necessarily, but just have a structural plan around it, right? If you're looking to trade London session, just trade London session, but then obviously have that ALG strategy just for London session, right? Or if you are trading New York, have that silver bullet strategy for New York and just trade New York and a set pairs, set times, right? And I feel like when you do that, you can sort of first understand that you need a fucking strategy, right? So you actually need a plan. It doesn't matter if you don't. No one's going to start off with a successful plan straight away. That's not the idea of it. The idea is have some form of structure, a plan maybe based off another trader who's been profitable. You're not going to have the exact same strategy. That's just a fact. You're going to have probably different confidences, but understanding that later on is key. But at the start, just understand that you need a strategy that you know when you know what you're trading, when you're trading, and essentially what you are looking for when the market is playing out during those times on those pairs. So, and also, don't think you are working harder just because you are placing as many trades as possible. That is not how it works in trading. And the same thing goes to when you're like backtesting or you're trying to learn more trading or learn more concepts and stuff. Just master a certain strategy. If you can master a strategy and find out your weaknesses towards it, your strong points towards it, and actually identify a strategy. Like everyone's personalised the ALG, right? Everyone's got a different. I mean, a lot of us trade it the same way, but there's like a group of people that probably trade it this way with this certain confluence. Another group who trades same ALG, same time, maybe different pairs, but exact same. Do you know what I mean? We all trade it in different ways, somewhat, even if it's to the smallest fucking confluence. So we're all different. So going through the live markets with a strategy and just that strategy and finding out what works best for you is so key. Otherwise, you're just in an endless cycle of not knowing what the fuck is going on, man. And it's honestly it's always gonna come back down to being a psychology battle at the end of the day. If you've got certain parameters in your day, psychology doesn't really fucking matter, really. The more mechanical it is, the less psychology your trading relies on, and we don't want to rely on psychology at all. In fact, we don't want psychology in our trading at all. The dog will be a trader, be the best trader. Do you know what I mean, Kev? Woo! Bitch. You think trading one session is better, or can you trade more? You can trade more. Again, it depends on your approach. It depends on what type of trader you want to be, what type of hours you want to trade, right? I mean, for me personally, I've become a trader so I had more freedom. So I'm not necessarily looking to trade all day long, every day, right? And you don't need to be trading every day or every pair or every session in order to make a lot of money from trading. In fact, the majority of floor traders in London and within Europe make most of their money during Europe time, during main European sessions. One day you can aspire to be like me, playing squad battles in my pants and vest on a Thursday afternoon. I've got a 10-hour work shift today, man. Fucking hell. Work is boring as fuck, I know. I know what it's like, boys. And I'll be honest, it's something you do want to get out of at some point, but again, take that as a driver, you know, Kev. Take that as a main driver. You not in the office no more? No, we left the Wolf quite a long time ago, bro. We travelled Thailand, in between that, we travelled Thailand for about 5-6 months. And this year, me and Lou have just had offices at home. Just been training from home. Is it this one, Josh? Bro, can I ask? Bro, hit me, man. Hit, man. Better to just watch him. Sometimes not trading is better than being in a losing trade. 100%, brody. Less anxiety. Better to just watch and plan in that time. 100%. 100%. That's the thing, boys. You always see me always on the charts. Every single New York, I'm streaming, looking at charts every single day. But I do not trade New York. Haven't traded New York. Wow, for fucking years. Honestly, for years. For years. And again, I sit here understanding essentially what I will be planning up for London. So, what will I actually genuinely be looking at for tomorrow morning, or again next week, or whatever it may be, right? I don't trade Fridays. I'm still in the markets because I love to understand what happened on Friday, so we can go ahead and trade that going on Monday, Tuesday next week. What time frame do you enter? It massively depends on the liquidity taken, bro. If you take 5-minute liquidity, so if you're talking sort of Asia liquidity, we're looking at 5 minute. Sorry, I completely fucked out. If we're looking at a 4-hour liquidity, which we normally are during session liquidity hours, for example ALG, then I'll be looking to use the 5 minutes to enter my trades. And obviously the other side, if I take not only the 4 hour in the morning, so Asian liquidity, but also prior day liquidity, which we've been seeing a lot recently. We've been seeing the daily get swept and the 4 hour get swept at the same time early in the morning. And then obviously when we take the daily, I'll look to go ahead and trade the 15-minute. I just realised that TikTok can barely see any of this screen. Bro, can you fuck off? Don't know if I like this new mouse, man. It's bare weird. What we reckon for the New York? Are we going to get them EUG shorts? They try to continue to fall. I do want to start. I mean, we've started to see the rebalance now, but I wanted to start seeing EU and GU rebalance, and I want to see the same things for equities for the start of. Perfect. We're seeing price come down. Just then to continue price to the upside, right? We're moving down with heavy momentum here. We still haven't had that New York Stock Exchange open, so I'm not massively too stressed right now. We're just getting that pre-volume. We're getting that build up of liquidity now. We are getting that build up of liquidity, so we are now looking for price to come down. If it sweeps lows, that'll be perfect. But then we'll be looking to long those equities up, and that's kind of the exact same for the S&P and for the Nasdaq. Again, we don't really have anything coming in. We have nothing coming in there. Right, finally got gold start breaking these lows. Don't like this tune. Let's throw it back to FIFA, bro. What was the signal sent in? Or was it just sent in? Oh, great, a couple hours ago. Running nicely. Nine to 8. Is that 13? Oh, that's 260. Why the fuck am I looking it on there? Oh yeah, Accenture CMP. Where's he got TP? Is that Asia's low? Way lower than that. Swing up. Whoa, where the fuck is he aiming for? 3928. Externals here? Yeah, it must be. Let's have a look. Yeah. I think GJ Shorts. That's a really good position. That's a really good position coming into New York. A really good position coming to New York. Did you get in those? Have you set that limit? MH. I say Friday 50 makes most sense. And again, we come in with New York trade, right? We've got heavy speeches later on. Is that playing on? We've got heavy speeches later on, so I would be careful with that. Oh, we come to that 50%. I was just playing a fucking gold trader and shit. You motherfucker. Right, we're gonna have to wait for that to come back now. Fuck's sake. Alright, nice. Hopefully we come back down. I'll see that come back down. If G closes below the second fair value gap, still not enough confirmation. What to short? To short. We want to see this closure really on this 15. Again, we're looking at massive Friday highs, so we do want to have an actual big structural shift. A big expansion there. Got a lot of within that area. I would love to see what happens around this fair value. Love to see what happens around this fair value. Did we come to anywhere significant? Anything that made sense? Yeah, so I feel like okay, so a balanced fill on that 4 hour, which is perfect. Has EU come up and completed? Yeah, so EU's completed CRT, DXY's completed CR... Yeah, it's fucking not. If we take daily liquidity, boys, remember I'm looking at 15-minute to break structure, so we want to see a structural shift on that 15-minute for it to make sense. So for GU, it would only really make sense for us to trade through this 15-minute and then continue down off there. EU, sorry. I like EU as well because we've got that. We've actually got the. So yeah, I mean, anticipating that we did break that daily, we are looking main towards this heavy 15. Mainly because it's the same one on EU. I think it just makes most sense looking at that. Exact same for DXY as well. I think it's only GU we've got that top 15-minute. So I feel like this 15 minutes is the crucial one. We'll see if we close below or close out. We've only got 3 minutes left of that candle. In it, Bigfoot. GU feels 4 hour. Yeah, exactly. It looks tasty. We'll give it to that half past time, and then we'll see if we get that closure below. If we do, it looks nice. EU, GU, DXY. I agree. GU looks clean. Just waiting for DXY to invert 100%, Brody. 100%. If we get this DXY back up, I can only assume actually it makes sense for us to trade down. Kind of only really makes sense if we are looking for that bullish dollar. Phase 1 pass, it's fucking... Oh, Jesse, bro. Let's go, man. What account size, bro? Let's go, broski. Lovely. Her voice really pisses me off, not gonna lie. She's a banger. No. How come you got an AU this morning then, bro? Considering that price did take Friday higher during Asian session, I sat out as I was waiting for the 50-minute version due to the time frame alignment. Bro, we took 4 hour, we took daily, we was looking pretty much at either 5 or 15. 5 minute was perfect, bro. Again, everything played out so well. It's a loss that I'm sweet with. It aligned with my strategy so well. Can't win them all, man. But yeah, 5 minutes is what I was focusing on, bro. Especially as we are trading Asia session, trading Asia's higher to low. 15 minute, we're just not gonna get anything, man. You just won't get it anything. You just won't. Yes, Wiggy, what's good, bro? Ichi could have played that a few times, man. I may sound dumb, but my strat involves taking profits and closing if volume's slowing down and it's not running nicely. It's fair play, man. It's fair. I mean, realistically, you only want to be in the markets at those higher volume times, right? To get as well, mate, I don't think it was a bad trade, a bad loss at all, bro. It's a loss that you confirm. It's a loss that makes sense, right? It's a loss that makes sense. Just come out, what we saying, bro? It's a loss that makes sense. You can get her. Do you know what I mean, bro? Like, what the fuck, kid? Kid, there's no way you're 21. Like, yeah, we was unlucky this morning, man. The magnets nearly... yeah, trust. Close. Close. But November's shaped up. Asia session has started to shape up really nicely. November. Yesterday we had to close early because of news. We still was able to nab 1%. But Asia liquidity has been nice November so far, man. So I'm excited for the rest of it. I'm not going to lie. I am really excited for the rest of it. DXY bearish after sweeping prior month higher, prior week higher, prior day higher, SMT at lows on GUEU. Mate, do you know a strat that has a 90% win rate? See in red, Kevin. If I was to help you come up with a 90% win rate, or if I was to tell you a trading plan that has a 90% win rate, you will have to shift your whole psychology over. Because you come in the streams every day and you say you have a trade. You'd have to understand that is not how you will be looking to trade. If you want a higher win rate, you trade less. That is normally how it works. So now what you got to do is you got to focus on what's going to invalidate your trade. Not just focus on how you're going to get in. Focus on how you're going to invalidate a trade to not be in the markets at shit times. A higher win rate will cause a shift of psychology. But win rate doesn't matter, Kevin. At the end of the day, what have you come here? What did you come here for trading for? Just to actually just win trades, or to actually make money? To make money in this game, consistency is key, and it's a lot more consistent when you got somewhat of an average win rate and so much of an average RR. Well, we've not actually yet got this trade through, so again, we can't really anticipate that the dollar's going to continue, is going to come up yet. Hence why it's in a little bit of a reversal here on gold. I only want you inside of me. Wow. Is that what he just said? Okay, I'm not gonna sing that then. Okay, let's go to the next song then. I just want you inside of me. Oh, this was a banger at the time when this come out. Yeah, I'm gonna lock in. Not in all seriousness, Colin. Zesty tune, bro. That's a weird tune, man. Trust me. I want you inside of me. Hold on, bitch.
Hey, little mama, with that tight dress on, I got a small proposition for you. You look kinda sexy, got it going on. Here's what I want you to do. Here's what I want you to do. Come a little closer, let me see that thong. Let me slide this number to you.
I played it one answer, Josh, man. Wow. I'm not even gonna repeat that, man. Check goal, please. Thank you. What are you looking at on goal, brother? This is what we currently have in on our signals group. This is what we currently are sitting in right now. It's pretty much a bit more of a swing position. We look for an external sweep of the Friday low, which is a big range. I'm gonna have to, Kev, actually gonna have to. How do I even do that? Do I even have the ability to do that? I don't even know if I've got the ability to do that, bro. I'll be honest, man. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Do I have any form of, Do I have any permissions in my fucking stream to actually do anything? I actually don't know if I can. Might be on your own then, man. You might have to, man. Chance. Spare true. That's spare truly. Josh, this is how you know. This is how you know you're on some form of like enhancement drugs. I actually don't know how to. Lou, you might have to. Mates, what do you think of Jer 30? Not the best time to trade it, I'll be honest. But again, Jer 30, Jer 40 is just so weak at the moment, lads. For me, it's just sells all day long. If you've not got a day where you're selling off, wait for price to come up and allow it to come down. You'll notice that we are very fucking weak. Where are my sessions, bro? There we go. Yeah, short it down. We had Asia liquidity today. Price just did not come into an entry that we was really happy with here. It's very unlucky. See, man, you can ban me, bro. Mate, that's not Opera in Newcastle. I could fucking imagine, man. I could fucking imagine. Are you in? Oh, nice, Ross. When did you get in, man? When did you get in? Get this flip now, man. Give us this fucking flip. Look at a 15-minute flip. No piss about as well. So we actually need Price to fucking move and stay moving. For us already switch up. But we're moving nice for it, man. We'll see when we get this flip. Mario Adjun. Yeah, where did you get in, Ross? Where did you get in, man? 240.020. Oh, okay, nice. You got in. Did you get in about 5 minutes? Or sorry, this 15-minute or something. Shit. That's really nice, man. It's really nice. Where are you taking that to as well, Ross? Where are you taking that to? Boys, we're giving away funded accounts. We're giving away, I fucking know, it's 3 funded accounts tomorrow. Make sure you boys are getting involved with that, man. A free funded account. You'll be an absolute donut if not getting that. Grab the opportunity by the fucking balls, lads, alright? Man, all seriousness though, man, get in there if you're not already on that. 100k on Instagram, 50k's in the Discord. This is that tune again. Oh, bro, turn this one the fuck up now. It's for gold. This one's for gold, boys. I'll just turn my phone off. Fuck. We don't have red folder at a free. Yeah, we don't have red folder at a free. The only news we've already got for the rest of the day for the dollar is speeches. They're not even red folder. I think we've got low impacts. I think the most important NBC member that's speaking today will be Wyler. Or, sorry, yeah, sorry, Wyler. We had that Trump speech yesterday, which, I'm not gonna lie, was just wasn't much to it, to be brutally honest. Wasn't masses to it. I don't even think it really affected price that much. Alright, I thought so, yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, that's running nicely, man. Only red I'm seeing is from Kurt. What pairs you trade, Caden? Yeah, Mr. Waller speaking, bro. Mr. Waller. Right, we're now getting this trade through. Nice. We've had open now. A lot more volume now. I feel like EU's nicer just because obviously we have had a hold of interest rates from the BOE. We've signalled we're potentially going to have cuts in the future, but from my opinion, obviously that will just push me a little bit towards EU. I would like to see a nice distro down, so hopefully we can have a nice big move here. GJ shorts, man, good position to get in. Are you in him, MH? Yeah, nice, man. With a nice push down after that Friday high. Ooh, definitely chance to get back in. Definitely a chance to get back in here. 100%. 100%. So down to the Friday 50. Looking at a pretty, not massively weak. We'll just go for external lows. What's that? 2.5. That's alright. Hopefully we see price come there before moving. Should have left my EJ limit on from this morning. Fuck's sake. Yeah. Why'd you man take him off? Why did you man end up taking it off? Yeah, I mean we've been getting a lot of been happening a lot, hasn't it? Where we've been seeing price just move later on, not enough volume in the markets. I mean we know we have had less volume in these markets, and historically Q4 has less volume in the markets. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Do doody do doody 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 do do doody do. Ah. Yeah, it was so nice, man. It was unlucky. Play some end dubs. Hey, Tommy, get it. Hey, Tommy, you are no longer allowed in any Richesse stream ever. You're banned, son. You are banned. Does trading view have a session view, or does it count as an indicator? Does trading view have a session view, or does it? As in what's in front of you now, Caden? Our sessions. If it is so, then yeah, it is our indicator, right? Is EG still continuing down? Nah, it's actually stalled a bit. Right, let's see if we're gonna get this reversal on price. I'm not entering anything, but let's just see if we get the continuation of price. Well, continuation, a bit of the reversal down. Okay. We'll keep an eye on gold for the time being. EG hasn't really moved. thought he was going to have that continuation through New York. Someone's in it. Someone's in EG. Aki Mad, that was it. Aki Mad, that was it. Pretty memorable name for the Discord. Aki Mad. He's in that until H1 Fair Value. Yes, Ibs, what we saying, bro? FK, what's good, man? Wow. Yeah, we reversed that 15-minute. We look heavy now. We look heavy now. I think EU just looks so much nicer than GU, to be honest. Keep an eye on that. I'll keep an eye on this 15 to drop back down. But EU to me just looks way nicer. Come on, give us that little manoeuvre in there. Yeah, EU is nice, man. EU does look very nice. Yes, Rossi. Come on, Sonny. Oh, fucking hell. See ya. Oh, nice, bro. Love that, man. Nice little 3%. Cannot complain, brother. Cannot complain. Cannot complain there. What was that on, Russ? Funded or challenge? Midpoint of the 15, just recent high, bro. Just recent high. If it comes to edit again, I'm going to do a video soon on YouTube. I've already sort of started it. It's essentially how to master the use of a stop loss, right? And how to not get manipulated. How to have a stop loss that makes sense for each and every trade. Because stop loss is so key, man, but so many people for some reason think it's good to have a really tight stop loss or a really safe stop loss. Either way could be fucking awful for your trades. Tight stop loss could be absolutely dreadful, just not enough room to allow price to come into certain areas. Bear in mind, boys, we trade fair value gaps, we trade all the blocks. These areas, we never know if they're 100% coming to the tap off, 50%, or even to come fill it. So having a tight stop loss like that is only just going to give you fuck all room. But then in terms of having a stop loss that isn't too big, just one that makes sense for the trade. Like EU here, we only really need it on this external high. If price comes higher, price is going to come higher, right? So it only makes sense for me to have my stop loss here. I'm not going to look at price and go, oh, actually, there's a liquidity level here that my anal's worried about, so I'm probably going to put myself, oh, actually, I'm getting really scared, and there's a high here. Let's put this stop loss here. Oh, actually, wait. Oh, I'm looking at that level, now I'm looking over here, and then this level looks really like a really nice liquidity pool around here. Let's have our stop loss really high. And you end up with a fucking trade like that. Or if one of those knobheads who thinks it's okay to go for a trade with no stop loss at all. One of those guys who trade stop loss, oh yeah, I'm just going to have it above this fair value. Or I'm just going to have it above this high, this candle. One, you got spreads that will probably just lick you out anyway. Not even just spreads from your liquidity provider, you got spreads from your not just your prop firm, but you got spreads from your liquidity provider as well. So you're probably gonna hit stop loss just by fucking hitting the entry on this trade. So I did want to do a video on essentially how to master the use of stop loss. And how to essentially keep that win rate high. But also not get into trades and try get out at points where it just doesn't make fucking sense. Because again, everyone struggles with a stop loss, man. They never really know how to use it. Never really know how to use it properly. Anyways, that's what I need to get. Yeah, mate, that'd be a fantastic video. That's what I need to understand better, is how to not get manipulated. That is honestly one of the most important things to know as a trader, especially for someone a London session trade. I mean, any fucking time really, but for people that trade London session, understanding manipulation, how not to get manipulated during London session is so key. Is so key. Yo, bro, I reckon gold will go back to 4020. Need your opinion. I'm sure. Are you in longs, user? I would say I'm really more looking for gold to come down. We're looking at. I can see the strong dollar realistically coming back into these markets for the time being. We completed the daily on EU. Now I'm looking for us to come and complete that monthly, which is still to the downside. So I'm looking for EU down, GU down, DXY up, and then obviously that would really make our positions for gold be shorts. Are you in longs, bro? Yes, D-Pack. What we saying, bro? How we doing, man? Yes, Will. What's good, bro? Always try to hide my stop loss under levels of liquidity. I know, man. Ross, take care, my boy. Lovely stuff in that 3%, bro. We'll see what we can grab tomorrow, man. So we can nab from these markets, milk like a fucking cow. Sweet, my brother. Fucking hell, you didn't see ya. I bet GJ's lost his anal, innit? More than UJ's lost his everything. Hold on. Yeah, no, definitely turning. I'll be making that. I'll be making that this week. Probably drop it tomorrow, maybe. Or maybe even this evening. Either this evening or tomorrow. Actually, probably tomorrow, man, because I've just got less shit to do tomorrow. I'll probably do it tomorrow morning. I've got it all set up, though. I think about you all the time. Oh, AD USD. Oh, bro, look how fucking nice that was, bro. The sweep out liquidity. Like a grown man drop his drawers. Come on, man, with my fucking family, bro. I know what you mean. Yeah. You better, man. What's that? What the fuck do you say to me, boy? Went on this morning on the EU, got stopped out, went straight to TP, happened to me 4 times. Now that's so annoying, bro. Well, I went for the shorts this morning, bro. My trade is I lost today. I had EU shorts today. I was looking essentially for we come above the Friday 50, and I was essentially looking for price to go ahead and come down. I mean, look where we are. We're so fucking high up. We're above the Friday high. We saw the sweep of the Asia high, and I was essentially looking for price to come down. We had a lovely push to the downside, 50% to our TP. We saw price fly. It was fucking unlucky, man. Where did you get in on the longs, bro? Very unlucky on those ones, though, bro. Very unlucky on those longs. So do you think could possibly rats off the bullish one now or fair value gap? Thanks, on gold. So to the left here, it could do. Obviously, we could reverse off any point, but if it's gonna hold, is a different story. For me, I don't think we're gonna continue what we had during Asia session. Actually, I don't know. I don't think, honestly, bro. I think we're gonna continue down for gold, especially if we keep that DXY strong for the rest of the session. We're really gonna see price come up, man. I'm coming to link up. I'm certain. Let's fucking go, Mehmet, man. Can't wait to actually meet you in person, bro. I'm gonna put a £10 deposit on the weekend. Yeah, boys. Everyone. Oh, yeah, by the way, if you're trying to get to the Richesse link up, if you want to link up with the boys, right? Link up with the team. We're gonna have going out to have a good night in London, man. Give us a shout. We'll get you boys locked in. We need numbers as well, boys. So probably by the end of next week, we're probably not gonna have any more numbers coming in. So if you do want to book it, boys, do drop me a message, man. Drop me a message. 29th, boys. So the last Saturday of the month. Last Saturday of the month. Did we have any US Red Folder news today? We did not, brother. No, we did not. Only Orange Folder. We got a few speeches for some Fed members. Other than that, we don't have that much. Let me just double check. I might be lying. I'm like 90% sure we haven't. No, just some low folder news, bro. I'm so easy with training, so I hope I'll get the right train of just one stop. Honestly, bro, Liverpool Street's probably the easiest station to get to, man. Well, there's another. Oh no, there ain't. You'll find your way to Liverpool Street, man. Liverpool Street's a. And the good thing is as well, we'll probably all be leaving, like, when we're all trying to slob home and roll home, whatever we're trying to do, or we'll probably just stay in fucking London, man. Fuck knows what we're gonna do. Me and Lou might just get, bro, I don't know what we're gonna do. Don't know what we're gonna do. I feel like it'd be better just getting a hotel. It just would be better getting a hotel, I think. I'd low-key prefer that than fucking trying to dribbly get home. We just gotta make sure we got packs on us, boys. Because I can't be trying to go to sleep without a pack on us. I fucking hate this song, bro. I'm not gonna lie, beg you shut up, bitch. Taliban Duda. But I like 3D, we put his on. Let's all get a hotel and share a bed. That's a shout, bro. Wait, boys, by the way, just remind me not to allow Mehmet to come. About we should all get a fucking hotel room and share a bed. I'll bring the packs. Come on, Ben. I'll bring a pack as well. Look, I think, bro, honestly, we'll probably have a load of candy, so you won't even need to. Yeah, I don't want no gravity. I'm not an average. Smoke is the baddest. For me, I'm a savage. Goals running nice. This is the signal we currently got in the chat, boys. Nice 1-6. Colombian. Josh, not what we meant, bro. The honey packs. No, the Kelly packs, brother. The Smokey, the Hookie, the Kenny. Woo. When it gets to 200k ACG. Are you paying for it, mate? That's like a bank account. Yeah, but why not set it to where your idea is invalid, also your stops are gonna be inconsistent. Alright, you fuck off then. Whatever you say. See you, Jeff, eh? Know you want me out the streets. From out the beat. Get how I don't want no gravity. I'm not that. Bro, I'm sober 3 years last month. Can't have no Colombian near me. I'm like Henry. I would. That's all for thing to say. 3 years sober. But was you bad on it, man? You made it sound like you come out of the fucking. I don't know what they called it. Halfway house or whatever. Not halfway house. I'm like a year clean. Boys, why are you making it sound like we're fucking addicts, bro? I know. I'm 1 year clean. I'm 1 year clean, man. You got God on your side, but it's hard to do right. Come on, it's actually a big achievement. That is a big achievement. Are you actually, was you actually mad, you know? GJ fucking moving, yeah, the yen is so, fucking hell, yen basket. Jesus, yeah, we're moving on the yen heavily. Yeah, that's nuts. No, I'm personally not in this trade, bro, but this is what we got sent into our signals today. Fuck it, I'll show you, brother. This is our disky. Where's our ciggies at? That's essentially the trade that we had today. Is that better if I show you like that? It might be better like this. I know. We posted off a Saturday night. But yeah, this was the trade, brother. I know we're running really fucking nice now. And it's great because we've obviously had that dollar reverse now, so we've got that strong dollar on our side. And for EU entries, hopefully we see some sort of reversal so we can actually continue this leg down. But we want to see that continuous dollar weakness for the rest of the session will be fucking sweet as a few nuts, pal. Look for me. It was too for me. Almost when it's saying. All this pain. I try to get in EU, I'm greedy. Ben, you're a greedy little bastard, man. Rehab for 6 months, probably could smash 2.5k on a weekend every weekend. Prove it. Don't believe ya. Prove it. No, I'm joking, no. I'm joking. No, I'm posting up a Saturday night. Wait, the Charlie's not a good fucking thing to be. I'll be honest, Charlie's awful. I'm quite happy. I'll be honest. I would say I am currently heavily addicted to the green. There is no. Honestly, there is no doubt about it. I'm not really gonna be that person that says no. I'm just not. Definitely am. Fucking 100%. But I feel like Charlie's such a worse drug to be addicted to, man. But no, good on you, bro. Good on you. Prove it. Nah, for real, nah. KR Faith, nah. Fuck! No. Good on you, though, bro, man. Rehab for 6 months. Fucking hell. Still no brother, you must have fun. Boys, honestly, if this TP's today, this is pretty much a whole funded account pass today. Just from this trade. Ciao, Jim Bob. Where the fuck is he at as well? Yo, can DXY stop coming down a minute? And head upside, please. Again, we might even just get like a little reversal, push price back into like an area here to continue. That's sort of what we're looking at for like EU, GU. We was kind of anticipating that, so we should really continue up here. We've had a trade through, so fucking hope so. Okay, I'll payday soon. Oh, bro. Right, all you need is 2.5%. Think that. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. No, we're bad, man. Can I still hop in now? What are you trying to hop into, bro? Gold. You can. I mean, you're late, but you can. I would advise it. Because, again, we're going to start dropping... you could do. Again, just areas where price could retrace from. I'm not saying you could. It's going to get you back in, but... Payday already came. Haha, I'm off to Italy next week. Lovely. Whereabouts in Italy, man? EU sells 30-minute IFEG. Ooh. I think that's ended, isn't it? Oh, I've been in... Oh, that's good. Just got this from TikTok. You're invited to sell menswear. Oh. That's great. What's this consist of? Okay. Wasn't much much of an end. Opening film, not much of an end, right? Oh yes, that's an except from. Bruv, imagine trying to sell that. Oh, I've got to sign up. Bruv, the photo it's got next to it. Florence. Oh, fucking beautiful. Florence is beautiful, man. I was gonna go, man, when I was in Rome. I was gonna fly there for get a train there for a day. I just didn't end up doing it, man. I didn't end up doing it. But I've heard Florence is fucking beautiful, man. And I'm kind of annoyed I didn't go, but I mean, I did bears in like the week I was there, so. Do you know your profit percent from last month? Me, I'm up last month. Oh, my fucking book's underneath. I've got my book underneath. Oh, let me just get this. Sorry, Tito, you might just fell on my face. Right, that's the wrong book. Shouldn't come get lit. Pretty sure about 3.5%. I'm pretty sure, just under 3.5%. Come get lit. Ran up from the plug. We ain't paying shit. October we had that -1%, and then we was up 4.5%. So yeah, 3 point. Well, yeah, we spreads 3.3. I was up last month. That was with those few gold trades as well. I have a sobriety app that I post on Discord. Not sure where I post. Oh, I swear down. I love that. Fair play though, bro. Smashing it, man. Keep that shit up. Do you do any other? What do you like bunning though, man? Surely if you coming off something, surely you got to jump on something else. You know what I mean? Like if I stop bunning, I'll probably start fucking, I don't know, shrooms or something. I'll probably start eating shrooms. New indicator should be ready soon, gang. Let's fucking go, Vichy. That indicator's looking fire, brody. EU, where we come on, let's continue up there. Let's continue up. We're looking for price to continue down after that strong pull from the dollar. Gold still moving quite beautifully. Elegantly, some would say. What are you in on, Caden? Brain Jude, what we saying, man? From the TikTok, say yo, man, so I know he's in it. ST, what's good, man? Focus. I was dumb-minded. Was dumb-minded. With a boomer. Missing all my I'll be honest, I was smoking bud since I was like 11. I'll turn 20 soon. I've been sober since the beginning of August. You best believe I'm gonna get fried when we all link up, bro. Get you fucking out, son. Here you are. Yeah, we're gonna bring that. We're gonna bring the Doja. We're gonna bring Doja. That's what we're bringing. We're bringing Doja packs. That's also what we are bringing. We are bringing Doja packs. If we don't have Doja packs, we're bringing Super Dope packs. Apparently Lou's been finding some good packs recently, man. I haven't had a nice bit of Cali in a bit. But the last pack I had must have been... I think it was Doja... it might have been the chocolate biscotti. I can't remember if it was the Delish. I can't remember if it was the fucking... I can't even remember. No, it wasn't Delish. We had that ages ago. I can't remember if it's Permanent Marker or... Well, that British... I can't remember what it was, bro. I think it was the Permanent Marker. I'm hoping for a nice Super Dope pack, man. I'm looking for some lemon poppers. That's really what I'm looking for here. We're seeing that dollar. Ooh. I don't think EU is going to get an entry. It's actually a pain in the Zack. But at least it's good for the God. At least it's good for God, right? That's the main thing. I'm doing good, actually. What's bud in Thailand? Like, it's nice, bro. Essentially, what it is, right? It's essentially, it's a bit like, it's good, but what it doesn't have, and what you always notice is, it's like in between, like normal English grown to like Cali. It's like in the middle, right? It's like the UK Cali we get in England. That's what it is. If you smoke bud, you're from the UK, and you've ever had UK Calis, we call it. That is essentially Thai bud, but it's like Cali seeds, but grown in Thailand with Thai water. So it's never ever going to be as good, but. Yeah, Thai Lao's nice, man. Thai Lao's nice, but bro, nothing beats a sealed pack of fucking super dope, bro. Man, nothing beats it. Nothing beats a pack of super dope, in my opinion. Super dope is top bud, top. Doja and super dope for me are my top favourite brands, if you may. I went to their farm last time I was there, lol. What farm did you go, man? Want to see my prescription menu, mate? Yes, Steve. Yes, I fucking do. What you got on there, man? Also, how do you get that, bro? I'm trying to get medicated. Lemon poppers does that loosen your arsehole, but make it citrus fresh. Yes, Stu. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Lemon, mate, that's so jokes. Nothing beats Doja. Doja is so top, man. So top. We've had many Doja packs as well. We've had, me and Lou have had a decent array of Doja packs. I'd say, honestly, super dope. I've only ever had cherry poppers. I've only ever had cherry poppers. But Lou told me he got his hands on some lemon poppers. Bro, I just realised how mad it does sound, like cherry poppers, lemon poppers. It sounds crazy. I'm a waiter like a bulldozer. Midi can UK. Oh really? Is it like easy in that? Have you? I'm gonna medicate myself right now, bruv. Check eligibility, bruv. Let's fucking get medicated. Let's get medicated. Set your location. I'm in England. Have you or an immediate family member ever been diagnosed with psychosis or schizophrenia? No. I don't think so, anyway. Free to sign up, that's sick, man. How much is the loud cost from there? L, what's good, man? 89. That is exactly what it does to the taste, too. Oh, going for the low blows, Stu. Going for the low blows. That's what it is. On YouTube, you're allowed to bud on stream. Because when we was in Thailand, we was on Kick. Do you man remember if we was allowed to? I know. Are you allowed to? I'm like 90% sure you're allowed, right? No finish, no finish. Boys, make sure you get into that fund account giveaway. We're giving away 100k just on our Instagram to anyone tomorrow, boys. In fact, do me. Actually, I'll send a link in, man. Fuck it. You could provide just fucking do it. Bro, fucking hell, boys. Fucking 600 comments, boys. You better jump on this. So we're giving away ACG 100k account on Friday. All you gotta do, brother, is these few steps in it. You know what our normal like Instagram giveaways work, right? Let's copy link. Let me just send it into this YouTube chat, my people. Oh, nothing worse than hearing your own voice. Shut up, mate. You fat prick. Fuck up. There we go. It's in the YouTube chat. By the way, Shaq, I'm streaming on YouTube. By the way, much better. You can see my whole screen. I've got my camera in as well. I think lesson learned is proper risk management and setting a stop. That's it, man. Obviously, knowing where that stop makes sense as well. Only vape is legal for medical. Only vape is legal for medical. Only vape is legal for medical. Wait, what? Wait. Sorry, what? Only vape is legal for medical. Wait, what do you mean, Steve? What, you can only bun it out of a vape? Is that what you're trying to say? Top man, Shaq, bro, top man. Need on 3K on the YouTube as well, boys. Make sure all you man are subbed. I'm probably jumping off in probably about 15 minutes. I do want to see how this gold ends up. I do also want to see if EU potentially comes to end. Oh, we're at entry. We're at fucking entry. Lovely. But decent start reaction here. We're going to keep looking on gold, though. We're going to keep our focus on this. Yeah, that re-entry's in, boy. The re-entry's fucking in. Everything is legal when you have money over there. No, wait. Can't technically smoke it. What? You can't technically smoke it? Can you just have your loud on you though, right? You can't technically smoke it, bro. What, so you have to what? Put it in a vape, bro? That's so bad. That's so bad. I mean, obviously, fucking not gonna listen to it anyway, but still, like, it's a fucking... Rev. Is that a joke? You're in the shorts now to complete that SLT. You reckon? Yeah, it's bad. Can vape bud in front of the law. Bro, that's mad. Man said bun it in a vape. Yeah, that's a scent. Yeah. That's so silly. So you have to vape it. You have to vape it. What? What's the fucking difference as well? Or is it just the fact that I have to buy the vape as well? Is it just more money? That's fucking, bro, that's so stupid, man. My allowance is 30 grams a month. 30 grams a month. Do I bun that? Oh, bro, that's like just under how much I bun. That's like perfect, Loki. They also remove the taste and the smell. All right then, I'll just stick to my Cali packs then. What the fuck? No, I swear they don't, bro. I swear they don't. They don't remove taste and smell. I swear they don't. I swear they don't. What do you think about these trading apps that claim AI can do it all for you? All bollocks. Absolutely, bro. There is AI in the markets. They're called algorithms. Algorithms have been in the markets for centuries, but always been used by institutional hedge funds, right? Who have a lot of money in the market, a lot of the market money in the market, and also they will have a institutional liquidity provider where they'll have minimal spreads in order to actually make their money in the markets. Us retail do not have that. Again, boys, you cannot go up against heavy high money market participants who do use algorithms on like government yields, lower time frame, and stuff like that. I'll vouch when I'm in Thailand in December. They do, I promise you. What, bro? But you know, like, what's his name? The guy with the green hair. What's his name, bro? I used to watch his videos all the time. I fucking love that guy. What's his name, bro? Drew is sharing. You know, Drew is sharing. He's medical, right? And he always does videos on it. He always does videos on medical. He like does like reviews and shit and smells it and that. %33% THC. I call that fucking bullshit. Oh fucking hell! It's got fucking Bruce Banner in it. That's probably why. I have nasty bud on my list. Wait, nice. Smoke medical, some dead, some banging. Some geezer in his £2 wanted to give away about 300 times between them. Fucking hell. Also, what are you looking at specifically just now on this chart? Literally looking for gold to expand down now. I'm looking for the bit of a reversal from this dollar to essentially start moving back up. That's essentially what we're looking for. We had a gold signal in our Discord today. The weed is banging boys on script. The weed is banging boys on script. Why does that sound like a real homosexual like sentence, Steve? Gotta respect their grand. I never forget Black the Ripper as well. That guy used to walk around London with his weed plant. Fuck. Not helping me not get banned. To be fair, I've actually not got a caution or anything this whole time. With London, his bud plants, feds can do nothing because he was medical and a card holder. Yeah, trust. Can fly with medical, yeah. Well, do you remember when they, bro, do you remember when they, do you remember when Drew Sharing went on that plane? Him and his mate stunk it out because obviously they all just had loud. And I think I don't know if they had to land the plane. Like, you know, what's it called when you like land it early? I can't remember what that's called, man. Been to Cookies Las Vegas. How was that? Oh yeah, I don't really. Yeah, how was that, man? In Las Vegas, was it actually good? Obviously, I reckon Cookies is only really good in America. It kind of only makes sense to be good in America, right? All the cookies I've gone to in Europe have been like pretty fucking shit. Like one in Thailand, one in Greenhouse was good though, man. Greenhouse, I've noticed Greenhouse is sick. I bare like Greenhouse. I proper rate Greenhouse. Amsterdam is good. Thailand, there's a few and they're good. Xiaomi 3.5, £25 for cherry gushers. Shot on YouTube's crazy. Tenko good, yeah. Tenko's top. Tenko's top. Right, boys, I'm gonna jump off now because I do want to get that video essentially set up for me so I can record it and send it out tomorrow. Greenhouse at least make an effort in places other than damn. Trust me. Trust. That's the only bad thing with like fucking cookies and that. Like they'll make like the certain shops in Damn and that's sick. And they just don't give a shit about anywhere else. Don't give a shit. Like for an example, what's that main bud place called, bro? And their bud's just so shit, but like the one of the most known. Bro. Something Labs. I bare don't like their bud, man. I'm not gonna lie. What's their name? Something Labs. I'm not a big fan. I've not had a. Nah, not Bulldog. I can't remember. Something Labs. You boys remember? Something Labs. Or Labs something. But I've never had a nice bit of loud from there, wherever I've been. There's a few in Thailand as well. There's one in Bangkok and there was one in Chiang Mai. I went to both and they were both so dead. Amsterdam, it was... Bro, what the fuck is it? And they're meant to be quite good, man. Oh, good evening, you two, Cat Six Soup. Wow, that's a crazy name. Bulldog in damn shit. Yeah, Bulldog's shit. It is dead. But what's that place I'm thinking of? Labs. Something Labs. Bro, it's gonna piss me off, man. Strain Hunters is fucking crazy. Yeah. Compound Genetics, bruv. That's it. It doesn't even have fucking labs in the name, bro. Compound Genetics. That's it, bro. Fucking hell. Yeah, bro, they're meant to be good, but every pack I've got from them has been shit. Not even from I've never got it in England either. I've only ever got it abroad. I've been dead. Shit. Compound Genetics, that's it, man. I've never been a big fan of their loud at all. GU's doing quite well, to be fair. EU still a break even. Goals just pissing about now. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna jump off just so I can get this started, so we can get this all sent out tomorrow. Also, boys, we'll be dropping that next Bootcamp 3. I think Lou said he's gonna be dropping soon. We've got a couple YouTube videos we'll be dropping soon, lads. So make sure you, man, keeping up to date on those. Nearly at 3K subs, boys. How far away are we? Can't be that far, surely. 36? 36 more subs. And we still got like 6 days to do it. Fucking easy. Apparently they nicked the guy who done the water pipes and bagged like 600 man. What? That's crazy. It's nuts. Right, boys, I'll catch you, man, tomorrow. And again, make sure you keep your eyes peeled for those YouTube videos. We always send an announcement for when we drop a YouTube video. So make sure you're in the Discord as well.